Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Leonard from Angry Birds. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Let's start drawing Leonard's nose. So we're going to draw a nice circle, a little bit flat on the bottom, and connect it back. Now inside the circle we're going to draw his nostrils, and I'm going to draw ovals. I'm going to draw a big one, and right next to it I'm going to draw a smaller nostril. Now that we've done that, we're going to draw the eyes. Now today I'm going to do it a bit different. I'm going to start here and I'm going to make it nice and round all the way around and connect it. And then we're going to draw a pupil without the light reflection, and I'll fill the pupil in. Same thing on the other side. Try to keep the eye about the same size. A pupil and fill the pupil in. Now right below the nose we're going to draw Leonard's mouth. Now Leonard's going to have a closed mouth but a smile. So we're going to draw a nice smile with corners and then two bottom teeth. Just below that we can draw the lip, the curvature of the lip. Now we're going to go to the top first, and we're going to draw the eyebrows. So Leonard's got these eyebrows standing up like this, and let's draw another one here as well. Thick at the top and thinner at the bottom. And we're going to connect the eyebrows with a little upwards curve. Then right on top you're going to draw two little ears standing up. And just a little inside line to show the curvature of the ear. And now we're going to draw Leonard's head. Now I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to draw it nice and round, and at the bottom I'm going to keep the line pretty flat and then go all the way around, and then make sure that you connect it. And now that we have the head, we're going to draw Leonard's beard. I'm going to start on this side. And I'm just going to draw a little beard, maybe some pointy hair, a nice curve back to the head. Next up we'll draw the body. I'm going to start here at the folds of the armpits, and I'm going to go down like a bulb shape, take it back and back up again. And on the side we're going to start with the arms. So I'm just going to make a nice curve and I'll stop right there. And on this side I'll copy the curve as well, about the same height. Now we're going to draw the nails. So I'm going to draw a little nail like this, and at the back we can draw another nail, and maybe a nail pointing outwards as well. And there's one hand. Let's do the same with this side. So I'm going to draw a nail, then I'm going to draw another nail, maybe pointing to the back, and a nail pointing to the front. And at the bottom we're going to start with Leonard's legs. Now he's got short stubby legs, so I'll draw two lines curving outwards, and then from these lines I'm going to draw a foot on this side, and I'll do the same. I'll draw a foot on that side as well. And then on top you're going to draw the legs curving outwards, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, leg curving outwards. And now we have to draw two toenails as well, and we'll just draw these two toenails, and I'll do the same for this side as well, and then I'll fill the toenails in. And let's fill out the eyebrows as well. And there's Leonard. Now look at my picture if you want, and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.